Peacocks are known for their beautiful feathers. Each feather has a design that's called an eye spot. We're going to start our peacock by drawing a great big question mark. Then we're going to draw the beak. So we're going to come up like a V, then a curved line, and then we're going to finish the neck, and it's going to be a curve just like the side of our question mark. Next, we'll add the beak, the eye, and the crown. No, not that kind of crown. Now we start adding feathers. Next, you can add eye spots. You can add circles for eye spots, or you could make kind of a teardrop shape for eye spots. Or you could do a combination. It's up to you. Add a second shape inside each eye spot. Last, add some lines for the feathers. Now you're ready for color. Beautiful.
Today we want you to get outside and watch birds. Birding or bird watching is a very popular hobby with a lot of people, and they like to learn about the birds that they find around them. This game, Bird Spy Bingo, is where you can look for birds who are doing different things, and also you can look for evidence of birds. You can play it any way you want. You could try to find 4 in a row, or you could just try to find 4 of these things from different birds in your backyard or around your neighborhood. Or you might want to take on the ultimate challenge and be a bird detective that can find all 16 of these birds or bird clues. You might not be able to find a bird's nest in your backyard, but you can go online to allaboutbirds.org and find a osprey bird nest right over the river in Savannah on Skidaway Island. This website has a live camera, actually 3 different views, where you can watch these ospreys in their nest. It's a beautiful view of the marsh as well. Take some time to watch and observe how the bird lives in its habitat. You might also have fun trying to see what it used to make its nest. Enjoy your Tuesday learning about our feathered friends.